Hello, I'm Tina Shanae. Why your doorbell so vanilla? Come on down to Doorbells and More. We've got all the types of doorbells.
Fancy doorbell.
Ding dong, wine and cheese.
What about for Jewish?
Ding dong, Hanukkah house.
What about if I like cars?
A ding dong honk.
What about I love computers?
A ding dong Radders Netflix. What?
What about religious doorbells?
A ding dong Happy Birthday Jesus.
What about festive doorbells?
Festive doorbells? What's a festive doorbell?
The other Christmas one.
No, that's not festive. That's Christmas doorbell.
Christmas doorbell.
Jingle bell, answer your door.
What about when it's time for your visitors to leave?
Goodbye, I need to read my magazine.
What about let's hear some customer testimonial.
I know Tina made these doorbells.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Answer your door.
A jingle bell,
Answer your door. For Jewish.
A ding
Ding
dong,
dong,
Hanukkah house.
For religious. Ding
Ding
dong.
dong.
Happy birthday, Jesus. I like cars. What do I need?
A ding dong honk.
I'm gonna go buy it now. Okay, so now it's time for us to leave. So,
A ding dong, bye.